A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here is Roll with Felix, and I'm the other side of Chuda along the Indian Ocean. So, to be precise, this is Changamwe. This road is Mombasa Nairobi Road. I don't think if you can see, maybe if I can zoom. And that is Slum. This is Chuda Estate, and this is Ocean, and I am the other side of the ocean. So I'm not alone, I'm with Violet Carl. So Violet Carl, you can introduce yourself.
Hello guys, how are you doing today? This is Violet Carl, and I'm with the Roll with Felix. Yes guys, we're just having good time around here, and as you can see, the view is very amazing.
So you can tell them what's the time now.
Oh, the time is 17:30 p.m. Kenya's time.
Yeah, so it's an evening.
Yes.
And we are here just to have a good time, to enjoy the holiday. Today is 1st May and it's Labor Day in Kenya, whereby the government of the country celebrates the workers of Kenya for their good work they do.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's their time to enjoy. So here we have a dhow. It's a little bit far. We have tourists there who are enjoying the sunset. Guys, I hope you can enjoy also the sunset with me. So amazing.
Yes.
Yeah, the sun is going down. And here we have two gentlemen who are doing kayaking. And here we have some children who are playing in the waters. So yeah, maybe you can go this way as we show this our amazing subscribers the sunsets.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, if you are here and you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow these updates every now and then by putting on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Sure.
Yes, you can also go check me out as Violet Carl, and that is my YouTube channel. Yes, Violet Carl, that is my YouTube channel, and I do good videos, guys. Yes.
Yeah, sure. So this area is not very well kept, well maintained. You can see the plastics all over at the beach. These are plastics. Everywhere is plastic. Everywhere is plastic. Yeah, everywhere is plastic. And these are kayaking, guys. They're enjoying. These are water hyacinths. Water hyacinths. No, they're not the water hyacinths, but it's another type of plant. It looks like a water hyacinths, but it's not. Yeah.
I fear that other side.
Okay, so let's go back because of security. Yeah.
See, we have a lot of trees. They are just,
Yeah.
the road very clear.
Sure, guys. So let's go back. Here in Coast, we usually have these trees that are very famous. Everywhere along the coast, you must see the palm trees. These are palm trees, very long. They're in a line. Yeah. Do you love coconuts?
Yes, I love coconuts very much because they're water, and I just love.
The nutritional value.
They're very nutritional. Yes.
Yeah.
And it's good to cook. When you cook with this,
The coastal dishes.
the coastal dishes like fish, we have pilau, we have
Even the cassava, you put the coconut oil. It's very amazing.
even the cassava.
Yeah.
I missed that. Also me, I'm learning how to cook with the coconut every day.
All right.
Yeah.
So guys, we are going back where we came from. Now, you will enjoy the village walk with me. We are going to walk along the village as we head back home.
Yes.
Yeah. So the sunset is sunny. Is it setting? The
Yeah.
sunset is setting. The views are amazing. The people here are joyous. They are having fun, good time with the nature.
You know, here is a walking distance. You don't need
Yeah.
to come with a motorbike or any transportation. You just walk along and you come. Yes.
Yeah, that is it. So guys, let's go. Let's go.
Hey.
Here we have jerry cans, and here we have a borehole, like a well, not a borehole. This is a well. We have fresh water from here. People usually come and fetch fresh water in this well because there's nowhere else they can fetch. You know, this is a village setup, and there's no fresh water in plenty. So the villagers come here and fetch water. And guys, we have a very beautiful sunset. Very beautiful. I love it. I always love the sunset views. Yeah. So let's go back home. I hope you have enjoyed the journey. You are enjoying the journey.
Yes, I'm enjoying bit by bit. I'm learning new things.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
So this I don't know. They use this grass to make this type of grass, as you can see. They are very, very long. They are used to make brooms. As you can see here in the coastal regions, they love these types of brooms. They pull them like this. Let me. I don't know. It's very hard. I don't know how they pull it, but I think they pull it.
So they cut at the
downer parts.
Yeah, then they make bloom.
Yeah, they make broom for them to use.
Sure.
Guys, the view is amazing. I feel like sleeping here, but let's go.
So guys, we are coming from that side. We are coming from that side, and we are going on the other side, but we are passing through the villages before we reach to our destination.
Yes, guys. Let's go. Guys, enjoy the view, the video.
So guys, we are still walking the village, and Violet Carl, how are you feeling so far? Are you tired or something?
No, I'm just doing exercise. You know, walking is just like making your body to be more naturally active.
To be fit,
yeah, and
to
active.
release some excess calories.
Yeah.
Just to make yourself
sweating.
fit. Very
Sweating is good.
Yeah, it releases the excess waste from the body.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
So nowadays people buy a lot of lands here, as you can see. People are building their houses.
Yeah, guys, in this
like
area.
Home.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's an area that is developing. We used to have makuti type of houses. You know, those grass houses. Yeah, but now we have iron sheets houses. Yeah.
Yes.
And the population also has increased in this area.
Yes.
Yeah, like 5 years ago, there used to be no people living in this area.
Yeah.
It used to be a bare land, guys. Just like the one that we saw in the other video. Bare land. But nowadays, everywhere is building. Very nice houses,
yes.
Very classic houses.
And the security is very
top notch. Yeah, there are no thieves in this area.
Yeah, it was a school. Yeah, I don't know if nowadays there's still a school.
Yeah, maybe it's a
but
school.
It seems like it's not a school because you see the fence are over there.
Yeah, guys, that's us. We are walking. We are still enjoying the walk. Yeah. Hope you are enjoying also what we are showing you. Yeah, we are still moving swiftly. These are bananas.